top of them, they don't say man a leader. Shut up, them ready to press the China.
Yo, till next time, we just want some love, or no? Fucking hell, please like, share, and subscribe to the new channel, The War in Jamrock. Right now, everybody has said, oh, Skillibeng bad, Skillibeng bad, Skillibeng bad, Skillibeng bad, Skillibeng bad. But guess what? Intense. Have something for knock off, chew off since them must say you bad. Let me tell you something, then they come on here. I'm telling you something, I'll be a poison. I run through intense vein right now. Be a venom and poison. Anybody in the way have a fucking problem. I tell you this straight and plain. Bomber clock. I tell you something. I intro already. And darkness upon the earth. No, fighter jet team. The fighter jet them. Watch you uptown. Yo, me never can hear intense and alkaline are same kind of people them. Don't fuck around all when you are the lead in whoever you be and you are the top man, because it seem like said the same intense alkaline main rival is somebody that is very lyrical. So they have it say him are the bodies. In with it. Watch out, watch out. Intense main adversary nemesis right now is very lyrical. Next thing, although intense main rival right now is very, very, very lyrical, fuck that. Listen to one buckler intense. Him not lyrical alone. Him have the venom, the poison, the germs. People afraid of him like what him run from Corona right now. That me I tell you. Yes. Let me tell you something about Skillibeng. Skillibeng full of lyrics. But because I can't play the song, but just listen to the 6 second them, or the man a chop like a axe a chop down a blood clot tree. You can't go on. You can't go on with yourself and I say, oh, who bada, and who bada. I who approve to be bada chattings that. You don't know me love laugh. I laugh when me hear hot lyrics, you know. Me hear hard is a spit song, you know. And lyrics a kick song, you know. What are them? Everything a happen. Everything a happen. Right now, in the inception of the clash, me that priest say, yo, look like Intense I have some problem, you know. No. Intense not a problem. Yo, a man not busy with who bad. A man have to say, me bad. That me I tell you. Man kill a teeth argument like while, you know. A man kill a teeth argument. Shot on a teeth. Know that. This is my first video in other warrior. My first video in another warrior. I made a wait for you war get really intense. You know get as intense yet, you know. But intense a prove him name. And I show say if there's any opponent, any adversary, any rival, anybody who wants to say, yo, you bad. Well, what intense are saying in song, you done bad. Because right now, he bad. I tell you something, man. Tell you something, man. You can't just watch lyrics. You can't watch who have the most lyrics. You can't. That's an artist alone. That don't make an artist. A man with a bag of lyrics don't make sense if you don't have the flair to go with the bag of lyrics. You have to have style, charisma, attitude. Right now, me is an artist. Me is a bad artist, so me I judge artists from artists. Skillibeng full of lyrics. That's all. Style them. Listen to the style. One sound. A style around the place now, you know, brother. To all people who are listening to this. A style and flow and pattern. Lyrics, flair, charisma around the place. You can't just come and spit bag of lyrics up, bag of lyrics up, bag of lyrics up. Vice now go up, now down, now sideways. Vice now go, vice now, and grab you. No. My office said, I rate Skillibeng. But if me shake me eye and I listen to a couple of songs, your song, and then the other song, and then the other song, you see what I mean? Which one of them more spark my brain? Which one of them more make me want to open my eye if you see? I don't know what me has try to explain, but which one of them more make me the bumbleclad? No, Skillibeng lyrics, they won't make me say bumbleclad, you know. But then, intense, style, lyrics, delivery, or make me say bumbleclad. You see what me I say? You see that? Right, rifle, one panic, tango, skip in front. You see me? Style. Something. Evil, magatic. Style in it. Style in it. Catchiness in it. After me done this, you better me shut up one Skillibeng song as well. And be honest and fair. And see if it draw me out. Cause guess what? Me not to listen every minute. Me just a listen. No! You come like if I repeat the song now still, but me I tell you say, right now, intense. Are you me a boots in your war? Yeah. If me hear a bad Skillibeng song, I would either think twice or something, but all the Skillibeng song them bad enough. But in other warrior we are transpire right here now, take place right here now, materialize right here now. I can't say intense not a chance in this. Intense is a cool youth it's seen when him a deal with him song them and him have him style and flair, but we enjoy out people in our madness. Side only chatty shit. No man, lyrics and style and pattern in nice song, man. Intense. fully bad this, fully war, fully out and war in this. Yeah. I'm going to listen to Skillibeng song right after this you know and see what I can pick up. See if I can find something where I'm saying, Bamba clot. No intense, you have to go draw in board up again in a brother and them something there in a brother. Well, you know what? That channel name the War in Jam Rock, you know. Like and subscribe to that, you know. You see that? Don't try go and put all like war them on that channel maybe. Try build that channel down. So yes. Shung Shang, comment. Yeah, comment. Not share nothing, make it build itself. Just like and comment. And Uno can help me build a war channel there too. Lyrical war we said doing now. Yeah, so my physical war then we are going to Jamaica, we might throw them up on it too if we can, you know what I mean, without any problem. Because right now, sure, I never want to talk about nothing right now. I talk about. So Shung Shang, Shing.
Top of them, they don't say man a leader. Shut up, them ready to press the cheese.